rushed real quick because we don't want to pull up to a meet where there's nice cars, all that type of stuff, and your car is the only one that's dirty, you know. Beautiful. And no, I did not get a chance to wash my car because number one, the first car wash was closed. The second one, we took the wrong road, so unfortunately can't really do much about that other than enjoy the time while we're here with a dirty car, I guess. So we are a bit early to the meet. Me and we got Leo over there. As you can already, got some G80s. The whole lineup up front is BMW. We're in the more superior cars right now, so it's fine. Are you getting one of these?
Huh? When am I getting one?
No, I said, aren't you getting one of these?
I think so. Mine's got two less doors. Oh,
these are M3s? They're both M3s?
Yeah, they're both M3s. I like these ones though. These are nice colour.
These colours are nice, but M4s are better though.
There you go. There you go. Finally.
Did you know?
Huh?
Did you know if Subscore was still there?
No, I don't see. So now the meter has changed locations. Oh, we are next to Godzilla, bro. Oh, that is hard. Yeah, so guys, you need to drive carefully because there is another car crash right down there. That is absolutely nuts, bro. Fuck. You're driving over plastic. Yeah. Do you want to get in front? Oh my god, that is finished. Yo, one sec,
Yo.
there's a big ass car crash here, bro. One sec.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that is fucked. Beaconsfield.
What? The one past Les Albans?
That's crazy. Got another tunnel run coming. All my friends now, these two cars and that car in front, and we're all gonna be going to the Beaconsfield services, I'm pretty sure, which is right up ahead. Actually, I didn't even realize. So my god, it is packed. Wait, I don't see the cars. That is nice.
Don't get me no POV.
Yo, what you saying? could have used that as well, man. This is the fucking launch control demon. Fucking nice, bro. Oh yeah. This is. Who's this?
I'm bigger than that.
It's pretty nice. G80s, Golf Rs.
R7.
Oh shit, that's RS7. Yo, look at this view.
I've got to say, I probably.
Hey, hold
Man
this.
just touched my window.
Pay for that as well.
What?
What? Aww.
What's that camera? That is
Open?
Half close, only one till close.
Oh, okay. Alright. No, thank you. That's it.
When he tried it,
Bro, you know I wasted half a tank today. So what? Everyone's just not gonna scavenge one.
Cheers, mate.
I was waiting politely. Why is it warm? Thank you.
Good enough for me.
I guess you're gonna have to wear the Red Bull hat.
I think this is the last one, isn't it?
This is what I was meant to get instead of my C63, but unfortunately, I didn't. I actually really want to get this.
Quite spacious, right?
Yeah, it is. It's very. No, it's not. It's not. A bit more spacious than my C63, but not that much. Fez? That's a RS7.
That sounds like you. Sounded like Colin when he had a boat. You know what? When that one was going off, I was ready for the fucking diffuser, the catalyst to just pop out.
I'm trying to see that S-Class. Yo, whose S-Class is this?
Mine, my bro.
Can I check it out?
Yeah,
Can I sit inside it?
100%, bro. It's got a
Bomb buckler. This is
Boat steering
This
wheel.
is, bro. This is a. Yo, this is nice,
What do you think? What do you think?
bro. I need to get one. Bro, this is nice. Oh, there's someone inside.
Yeah. Just check it with that boy.
This is nice. This got so much.
Back is better.
Yeah, bro, this is crazy.
Good your POV videos from back here, bro.
Yeah.
From back here.
Yeah, bro, that is not. Bro, this is. Yo, you got more space in the back.
Yeah, but this is a long wheelbase, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you have the weight maps on?
Yeah, I have no weight.